Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and restart your phone. So this is the first thing you want to do. You want to press the power button and the volume up button. Now you want to swipe up to restart, and now the phone is restarting. Now we're going to talk about the screen protector. If it's poorly fitted, if it's not completely on the screen but it's going offside to the edge or the side of the phone, you should remove it because it's very important that the screen protector is applied 100% correctly. Now what we want to do next is we want to clean the display. So what are we going to do is we're going to grab a microfiber cloth and we're going to go over and just swipe it on our screen a couple of times until we get rid of the moisture. And because we're using a microfiber cloth, we also get rid of the fingerprints. So now our screen is beautiful and it's shiny, so we know that we cleaned it. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and simply check out the software updates. So we're going to go over into settings and here go to system and update. Once we click it, we go to software update and we want to make sure that it says version up to date here. As you guys can see, I'm on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because you want to make sure that you're on the best version of your software. And as a last resort, what you guys want to do is check for any touch assist. So to go to accessibility and convenience, scroll down to modes, and here go to touch assists. Now you want to make sure that every single one of them is disabled. Of course, if you have a fixed screen protector, you can try and use the screen protector mode, but other than that, I would recommend you disabling all three of them. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.